Spidey is back with one another video. So in this video I'm going to show something different thing. Okay, so this video is not containing any tutorial. I'm just showing you the demonstration of the my recent project. I will make a one tutorial video separately, so just click on red subscribe button. You will get video in 2 in 3 days. I will upload as soon as possible. So I have built one kind of the document scanner using Python. So it is a kind of the GUI application. You can see in I have developed it in 239 lines. So just let's run this application. It is basically made with the Tkinter. So what you have to do? Okay, so I will explain all the things in the tutorial. Just currently you just need to watch how this is working. So let's launch the application. So basically it doesn't take too much time, but my screen is recording, that's why it's taking the time. Okay, so now you need to enter your URL. So now what's happening here, basically your laptop camera doesn't have any kind of the powerful camera or a webcam. So just what I am doing, I am accessing my mobile camera with my Python code. So basically I need to have IP webcam camera application into my mobile, and just I need to create the local server. Basically my laptop and mobile should connected to with the same network. So first let me check my mobile is connected or not. So this is the URL. Okay, so my mobile is connected here. So paste this URL here and click on the turn on. So it will take the time, but then you can see now my mobile camera feed is visible. You can see my mobile is not connected with my laptop. You can see there is no data cable here. My camera, all the frames which is captured by my mobile, it is these all are the frames is coming to this GUI, and now I can click with images with this button, capture images. Okay, so now I have kind of the document scanner. If I click on this PDF button at the end, means at the end it will convert my all the capture documents into PDF. Okay, so let's capture the documents. I have already opened one book here. Let me turn on my flash. Okay, so let me some capture the images. So I have used some OpenCV filters here. So just what you have to do, just you have to just capture any of the image. Basically you don't need to do anything in mobile, just you have to use your mobile just for the capturing. But with this button capture image, you can capture your image, and your scan image will look like this is your original image, this is your scanned image. Okay, it will automatically give the name, and it will automatically pre-process the image using OpenCV. Okay, so now let's do for the another image. So my image is ready. Now just need to click on this capture button. Okay, so now this is my original image and this is my scanned image. Now let me do for this page 3. Okay, now third image is also captured, and let me do my last images, which is fourth images. Okay, so now image capturing is done. Now just I need to click on the PDF button. So PDF is generated. So let me close my camera first. So now let's see how our PDF is looking. So it will automatically generate 3 folders. One is the cropped image. Cropped image means simple image which is captured by our camera. It is frames which we are getting from our mobile camera. So this is original image. So you can see the quality of the image. So quality is very good. Okay, and now let's see the scanned PDF. So scan one, you can see PDF is generated at 5:25. You can see the time. So I have totally scanned the 4 pages. Okay, and this is the one image which is scan PDF. It will automatically generated by code just for the good looking purpose. Okay, so for the sum of the fonts the result is not good, you can see, but at the normal font you can see the result is very good. Even I can read all the things very in the very detailed format. Like here you can say I can read, compile and interpret. Usually a computer language is either compile or interpret. Basically it is the Java Balakruswamy book. Actually there are lots of things I need to implement and change here, but basically I have made some image processing using OpenCV, and this is the perfect version. Actually I have tried, I'm trying from last week, 1 week on this, and now I'm getting the still good result compared to previous days. So let's, I just got idea now, let's share it with you. So you can see this is the very good, because now lots of people will like why we are doing this. So the answer is very simple: we need to learn about image. Actually I want to learn image processing in the depth, so that's why I created this application. Basically it will help you a lot to understand your basic concept. There are no things like because there are lots of application available in the Android platform like cam scanner, and there are lots of application is available, but still you can see we got the really good amazing result as in comparison of the other application. We cannot say it is perfect, but yeah, it is good. So this is scanned PDF. We can proudly say it. We can proudly say to anyone, yeah, this image is captured by my phone, and I got the image into my Python GUI, and Python GUI with the Python code I have made this kind of the image processing, and you can see quality of the image. It's really look like I have scanned this document into scanner. So I think that's all for the today video. Just I want to show you this. Don't worry guys, I will make a separate tutorial on this, how you can make it from the scratch. But from the last 2 to 4 days actually my health is not well, so that's why I have not made any video on this topic. But guys, don't worry, I will make soon. So this is the process image. You can see size of the process image 180 into 1920. So this process image should like this, and end of the day we are converting this all the process image into PDF. So let's see on the full zoom. Yeah, result, you can see result is really very good. So I hope you like this project. GUI is very simple. You don't need to do anything, just capture and generate the PDF. So like and share this video. You will get tutorial soon. Just comment down, you if you want to tutorial, just comment down you want or not. If you have any suggestion to add this, if you have any suggestion, if you want to add any module in this project, just tell me. We'll try to implement the suggestion in this project. So guys, that's all for the today video. Thank you for the listening me.